Why are you researching your family history? Over Christmas in 2016, I started going back over my family history research, looking at documents, checking my sources and what I'd recorded against ancestors. And this opened up information I'd forgotten about, information I'd missed, but helped me think about why I was still researching my family history after 20 years. I also thought about the 2016 series of Who Do You Think You Are, that famous TV series on British TV. And a number of celebrities started their family history with professional help to really identify some questions they had about their family history, why they were interested in their family history. This series was entertaining and enlightening in equal doses. I remember Amanda Holden's episode. She's a TV presenter and actor, and she talks about her story and her family history about having French connections, French ancestors. But perhaps the most enlightening part of her episode was the discovery of her grandfather's World War II service. This reminded me of some information and a family story I'd picked up on in the early days of my research into my mother's uncle, Eddie, and his Second World War service. And there were stories in the family about his life before, during and after his Second World War service, and how that time in his life really affected him and his future, affected his friends and his family, and ultimately his life and the life he led. So continue your research. Do think about why you are researching your family history. Do revisit your research from time to time and ask yourself that question again. It may help you focus on another goal or another part of your family tree to explore. And remember, you never know what stories your ancestors might tell. The source material for this talk was gained in part from the internet and from the Radio Times online, radiotimes.com.